Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur had an encounter with Netaji Subhash Bose. Netaji Subhash Bose came to see Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. And he told him that you have so many young boys, why don't you give some of them to our struggle for independence of India, fight for India's independence. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur pointed out, he didn't directly answer the question. He said that, do you believe in reincarnation? And he said, yes. And Subhash Bose's reaction was that which Hindu doesn't believe in reincarnation? Yes, I do. He says, well, in your next life, if you are born in England, then what will happen? Will you struggle for India's freedom? So this is how temporary all these considerations are. In this life I am Indian, therefore I am struggling for India, fighting against the British. But tomorrow or in my next life, if I am born in England, then I'll be smashing all these Indians who are fighting for India's independence. Therefore, these are not the ultimate solution. The ultimate solution is in Krishna consciousness. Krishna consciousness means surrender to Krishna, become a devotee of